Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I get asked fairly often how I style my hair, what I put in my hair, how I get my hair to look the way it does. So I thought today I will go ahead and share with you how I curl my hair using my hair straightener. Before we get into the styling, I just want to share with you what kind of products I use in my hair. Now it's really important that you choose the right products for your hair type. Now my hair is quite thick. I have a lot of hair and it can be frizzy, especially the next day, and it is wavy. So I did straighten my hair today, and it is really important to straighten your hair before you curl it. It just makes it look so much nicer. I do tend to change the products that I use in my hair fairly often, and that's because I feel that once I use a product for a long time, my hair just gets used to it and it doesn't work the way that it once did. So recently I have been using Amika products. I am using the Hydro Rush shampoo and conditioner, and this has been a lifesaver for my hair. I really love it. I love how thick it is. Now if you have light hair and your hair isn't as dry, then this product is probably not a good idea for you, but they do make products that are specific to your hair type, so it's really important to choose the right product. This is a very intense moisture repair type of product, and I love the conditioner very much. It really is quite thick and it leaves my hair looking very shiny. Something else that I use in the line is this Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I do like a nice leave-in conditioner, especially when I get out of the shower while your hair is damp. You just spray this. I usually just do it on the ends. I don't do it on the top of your hair so that it doesn't look too greasy, but just a few sprays on the ends of my hair while it's damp, and then I just dry my hair and it leaves my hair looking very silky smooth the next day, and I hardly have to do anything to it. I got a lot of questions about my hair color. I do highlight my hair. I do like to have blonde strands into my hair, and I normally only highlight my hair about once a year. Now a lot of people are really surprised by that, and they ask me, how do you maintain the color, because it really looks like you just highlighted your hair over and over again. I normally do trim my hair every 6 to 8 weeks, and then I actually just trimmed my hair 2 days ago, and I put in a gloss in there. So my hairdresser does put in a gloss, and it takes out all the brassiness that the blonde hair kind of catches on, especially if you have hard water. So your blonde strands might look a little bit brassy over time, and the gloss kind of removes that, and it just makes it look so shiny and as if you just highlighted your hair all over again. I do use my Dyson straightener to curl my hair, and you can use any straightener that you have. Just remember that the smaller the straightener, the smaller the curls. So I really like the Dyson straightener because it is quite thick, so it creates nice bouncy big waves, kind of like beachy waves that I really love. And I love the fact that this straightener, you can actually put the temperature to whatever you want. So it goes to 330, 365, and 410. I usually put it on the highest settings. You don't have to, but I do this quite often. So if this is new to you, you don't normally curl your hair with a hair straightener, it's nice to keep it at a lower setting. So of course you need to start off with nice straight hair. So I did already straighten my hair. And then I part my hair in half. And then just use any clip that you might have at home. And then we'll start with the bottom half. I do like to use a heat protectant. You can use any heat protectant that you prefer. Right now I'm using this Gisu heat protectant. I really like it. It smells really nice, and I feel like it really does protect my hair. So just a few sprays on both sides. Now when you curl, you do want to curl away from your face. So you don't want to curl this way, you want to curl the other way. So this keeps your hair out of your face and it just looks so much nicer. So I start off with a small strand. And then just going around. Just turn away. Usually I do like 2 turns. And then you just get a very beautiful bouncy curl. Now the right side is normally a little bit easier because you don't have to go around like that, so it makes it a little bit easier to curl. Now if you do get a thicker strand, you would just have to go very slow. Okay, and there's the bottom half all done. So make sure I got the back side. All right, so I just want to make sure that really cools down before I kind of comb it or put my hands through it. That just makes sure the curls last longer. And then we'll go ahead and do the top part. So again, just like before, so we go ahead and take strand by strand and we curl away from our face. I love the fact that the Dyson straightener is wireless, so it makes it so much easier to curl. So there are the curls, and they're quite tight because I haven't really brushed through them yet, but you do want to make sure that they are completely cool before you do that. So then for my bangs, now I normally use a round brush like this one, and just with my hairdryer, I go ahead and curl my bangs. Now on the sides of my bangs, they normally flick out, and with my bangs, I normally have them cut so that on this side, they are longer so that they blend in with the rest of my hair. But they kind of do this kind of flick thing, which I don't like, so I do use my straightener. And for this part of my hair, I go ahead and put the heat down to about 330, because I don't want it to be too hot. And then I just go through them. I still want to keep that bounce, but I just don't want them to flick out. See, this kind of works perfect. another reason why I love the Dyson hair straightener, because I can really change the temperature. So once your curls are fully cooled down, I just use my hands to kind of go through them, just to break them up a little bit. Just want them to look nice and wavy and not as tight. I love how the straightener gives you such beautiful curls. You can also use your brush, and you can brush through your curls. Sometimes I do like to do that as well. Now for the finishing touches, I do like to put a nice nourishing oil into the ends of my hair. This just keeps the shine, and it also just helps with the frizziness. So I have been using the Oversize nourishing oil. I love this oil. It smells so good. Just about 1 pump into my hand, and I just kind of touch the curls ever so slightly. Now, of course, if you do have really greasy type of hair or very thin hair, I would skip this part or just add it very sparingly onto the ends. And then I love to use a hair mist in my hair. There are plenty out there. Just make sure they are alcohol free. I really love this Chanel No. 5 one. It smells so good. And that just makes your hair smell nice all day. And that is the finished hair look. I just love to curl my hair this way. I feel like it lasts all day and it just looks so beautiful. And that is my tutorial. If you guys enjoy hair type of tutorials, leave me a comment below and I'll try to do more of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.